Do you also want to create mockups using Canva? If so, the first step is to open Canva. On the lower side, you'll find the option for mockups. Click on it to open. After that, you'll see a variety of options like mobile, laptop, LED, signboard, mugs, etc. You can choose between video mockups and picture mockups. Let's start by opening a mockup. I've chosen a video mockup. Once you open it, Canva will prompt you to upload the file you want to use. Simply go to the Upload section, click Upload, and select the picture you want to use. I've chosen a logo. Now, just drag it onto the mockup. It may take some time to process and upload. As you can see, our logo has been successfully uploaded to the video mockup, and it looks great. Similarly, you can use picture mockups too. For example, I've selected an LED mockup and uploaded a picture. The upload process is the same as it was for the video. Now, look at that. Our picture mockups are also ready. This is how you can use mockups in both pictures and videos on Canva and enjoy high-resolution files. Now that all our files are ready, let's download them. Simply click on Share, then Download, and select the file size you prefer. For more informative videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.